Hi friends from 218. Just checking in. We're going to talk about writing our names today. When we're writing our names, remember we talked about big lines, big curves, and little curves. So today we're going to practice writing my name. You know me as Miss Lily, but my full name is Liliana. So we're going to write Liliana. So the first letter in my name is a capital L. What kinds of lines do I need for the capital L? Good. I'm going to start with a big line. There's the big line. Next, I need a little line. Capital L. Big line, little line. Next, I'm going to do the letter I. And it's the lowercase I. So for the lowercase I need a little line. That's right. Remember when we're writing, we always start from top to bottom. So there's my lowercase I, and it's missing the dot at the top. Little line. Okay, next I'm going to do the lowercase L. What do I need for the lowercase L? Big line. L, I, L. Next, I need another lowercase I. So I'm going to do another little line. And remember, I'm starting from the middle to the bottom. And the dot. Lily. Now I need to do the lowercase a. Now if you were doing the lowercase a in class with our wood pieces, we would have two little curves. So that's how we're going to do our two little curves for the letter A, making it into a circle. Little curve, and then I'm going to continue going, little curve. But I'm missing something for the lowercase a. What am I missing? That's right, a little line. Now it's a lowercase a. The next letter in my name is the letter N. I need a little line. And then I need a curve that turns into a little line. I start at the top, and then I'm going to do a little curve right there. N, L, I, L, I, A, N, Lilian. I'm missing a letter. It's another lowercase a. So again, it's two little curves put together to make that circle. There it is. But it's missing something, isn't it? What's it missing? That's right. It's missing the little line. And there's my name. Liliana. Now, at home, I want you to practice writing your name and saying whether it's a little line, a big line, a little curve, or a big curve. Thank you for watching. See you next time.